Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to upload a video onto Canvas if you have a video presentation that you need to submit for your classes. For example, if you're in an online public speaking class, I can show you how to properly post a video for your classmates and your professor. All right, so let's just say you're in an online public speaking class and you need to record a speech and submit it as an assignment. So what's going to happen is in order for all your classmates and your professor to see everyone's performances, you're most likely going to see the video submissions under discussions. So what discussions on Canvas allows you to do is it allows you to post a video comment. Unlike assignment where only the professor sees the submission that you submitted on the assignment, okay? So let's just say this is your speech or your assignment coming up and you need to submit your video. So what you're going to do is just like a regular discussion post, you're gonna click on reply. However, now instead of just typing, you are going to either record media or upload media. So you're gonna click on this button right here. And once you click on that button, it should notify you that your camera and your audio are being used on your laptop or desktop. Okay, I highly recommend you do this only on a laptop or desktop because on your phone it might cause some technical difficulties. But if your phone is the only option, I can show you how to do that in just a little bit. Okay, so what happens is you have two options here. You have record media. Which if you click on start recording, it will record. It will give you a 3-second delay and then your recording will start. Once you're done recording and performing your speech, you can click on end recording and then Canvas will save your video as a video comment. Okay. However, let's just say that doesn't work for you, right? There are other options to make sure that you're submitting the assignment correctly. So what you can do also is you can also upload media. For example, let's say you took your speech and you performed it on your phone, and now you need the film or the video from your phone downloaded into Canvas through your computer. Okay, so what you can do, let's just say you recorded your video on your phone, and then now you sent it to your computer, and now you're going to use your computer to upload it onto Canvas. And so what Canvas will do is it will create the video for you, or it will embed the video for you under a video comment on Canvas. Okay, so let's just say you choose select video file, and then you find where you downloaded, where you inputted your video onto your laptop, okay, or computer, and then you click open. And what it's going to do, it's going to kind of create, like I said, a video comment for you, all right? And then you post reply, and then your post should just look like something to click play. All right, so those are two options that you can use. You can either use record media, which you're literally recording through Canvas, or you can upload media, as in taking a file from somewhere else and then uploading it into Canvas. But let's just say that doesn't work for you for some reason, right? You're having difficulties. So those of you that are using your phone as your main source of recording, you can also do this through Google Drive. Okay, so for example, I have a Gmail account, right? And those of you that are not familiar with Google Drive, if you go on the right-hand side by your username, there is a square with all of the Google options. And when you click on Google Drive, basically what it does is it compresses the video to make it smaller in size. That way, you can access it. So what happens is if a student in your class just sends or gives you a link to the actual video without putting it on Google Drive, what you'll have to do is you'll have to download it into your computer, which that's not something that we want to do. Okay, so how to use Google Drive is as if you sent your, you can do this from your phone as well, actually. You click on new and you click on file upload. Right, and then you choose the file that you like to upload onto Google Drive. So for example, I already kind of did a sample video here under Google Drive. However, the important thing is once you submit it or once you download it to Google Drive, you must share it for everybody to see. What will happen is if you don't do that, your professor or other classmates will have to ask for permission to watch that video, when in reality, it just should be able to easily be watched. Okay, so what you're going to do for your video, let's say this is your video right here that you downloaded onto Google Drive, you're going to right click and you're going to click on share. But what you're going to do in particular is you're going to go all the way down here to advanced. Okay, I've already done it here, but you go down to advanced. You want to make sure that anyone on the internet can find and access, and no sign-in required. So pretty much whoever sees your link on the Canvas comment box can click on the link and the video will just show up and play instead of having it downloaded to your computer. Okay, so you're making sure that you just move or click on public on the web. Then you save that, and then now you're able to copy and paste this link. Okay, you go back to your assignment. All right, let's just say I'm doing a video from Google Drive. I'm going to now choose link to URL. And then I copy and paste the link. I insert the link, right? I will label the link with my name and what speech assignment it is. I will post reply. And what you're going to see is now there's going to be a link. And once you click on that link, or your other classmates or your professor clicks on that link, it will directly take you to the video that you submitted on Google Drive, right? That way, again, your classmates and your professor do not have to download the video to see your video, because it's still going to be on the thread here. Okay, so that's how you submit your video, either through Record Media, Upload Media, or through Google Drive. All right, good luck.